YouTube. What is good? It's your boy, Strictly Sneakers 402, and I'm back with, yes, another unboxing. So, I'm gonna quit talking once again and get right into it. Knife. We do have an Air Jordan, if you couldn't tell by the box. Pretty sure you already know what it is already. Put this knife up before I cut myself. It is the Air Jordan 3 Cyber Mondays. I mean, this is a clean shoe in my opinion, and unfortunately, it's still sitting. I don't know if it's because everybody went after the Yeezys or nobody's really feeling these shoes, but I am, so that's why I got them. Leather quality is not that bad. It's actually kind of nice. Maybe you can see that. The Air and the Jumpman on the back. New sneaker smell. Love that smell. Get the other one out. Yeah, there you have my pickup for today. Nike Air Jordan Cyber Monday. You know the routine. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.